Number 6. Go into partnership with. It means to start a business relationship with another person or company.
She decided to go into partnership with a friend. She decided to go into partnership with a friend. They will go into partnership with a leading tech company. They will go into partnership with a leading tech company. He's considering going into partnership with his brother. He's considering going into partnership with his brother.
Number 7. Go numb. It means to lose sensation in a part of the body, typically due to cold or inactivity.
My fingers went numb in the cold. My fingers went numb in the cold. After sitting a while, my legs went numb. After sitting a while, my legs went numb. She said her toes went numb during the hike. She said her toes went numb during the hike.
Number 8. Go on foot. It means to walk, rather than using any form of transportation.
We decided to go on foot to the market. We decided to go on foot to the market. It's close, let's go on foot. It's close, let's go on foot. They went on foot despite the rain. They went on foot despite the rain.
Number 9. Go on the stage. It means to perform or appear in front of an audience, typically in a theater.
He's nervous to go on the stage tonight. He's nervous to go on the stage tonight. When will you go on the stage? When will you go on the stage? The actors went on the stage at 8. The actors went on the stage at 8.
Number 10. Go on tour. It means to travel to different places to perform or exhibit.
The band will go on tour next month. The band will go on tour next month. She's excited to go on tour with the play. She's excited to go on tour with the play. They're going on tour across Europe. They're going on tour across Europe.